Today we are modifying the Mercedes-Benz E-Class NTG212 2013 to 2014 7-inch Android touchscreen. Start by prying off the right side fender. Open the storage box. Hook out this hidden buckle. Here are the air conditioning vents. Hook the left and right clasps and then break open the center panel. Disconnect all the wires and take out the center panel. Take out the two screws locking the main unit. Take out the main unit. Unplug all the wires from the main unit. Pry open the plastic panel of the screen. Remove the two screws locking the screen. Disconnect all wires and take out the screen. This is the GPS antenna, 4G antenna, microphone cable, from the right side to the air conditioning vent. This is the USB cable, from the storage box to the air vent on the right side. Pass these four wires together to the screen. This is the power cable. Connect the Android power socket to. The power socket unplugged from the car's main unit. Thread the power cable to the screen. This is our Android host. Connect the screen cable, HDMI cable, USB cable, GPS antenna, 4G antenna, microphone cable into the Android main unit. This is the Android screen. Insert the HDMI cable and screen connection cable. The original LVDS cable into the screen interface. Plug the power cable into the Android host. Restore the unplugged main unit from the original car. Plug the other end of the Android power socket into the original car main unit. Fix the Android host to the screen and organize the wires. Lock the Android screen with a screw. Lock the Android screen with a screw. Lock the Android screen with a screw. Restore the center panel. Fix the GPS antenna, 4G antenna and the microphone cable to the location with good signal reception. Installation is complete. This is the interface of the original system. This is our Android system. We keep the original system highly compatible with the original system. Support 4G network. Connect to Wi-Fi internet function. Support connecting CarPlay via cell phone and using CarPlay function. Support the original steering wheel and knob control. Also support the Android interface touch function.
For more information, please feel free to contact us.